And here is the Mk1 picked up today. It's a bit grotty. Gonna need some new rear lights. The underneath is pretty solid, which is a good thing. Should really have pushed it back out and emptied it with all the crap, because it is quite full of crap. You might just have to take this bit off. There's a foot hole in the exhaust silencer and the actual pipe is missing. Yeah. It was kept on a farm for many years. The guy wasn't sure whether it was been in a barn or something, but considering it's full of straw, I would have said it's quite likely. No interior light, no battery either, so you can't really get any light in here. But it's on 74,000 miles, nearly 75,000 miles, and majority of it is there. It's not switch. Got a probably non-standard tape deck there. It's amazing. No information other than car stuff. We've got a few tapes. What have we got here? Dr. Hook. You must do it whilst driving straight. Otherwise you could have an accident because it's dangerous. Kenny Rogers. What else we got in here? Bellamy Brothers. Tina Turner. Shopping list. Load of rubbish. What's in there? Ooh, love songs. Just put it back in there for now. See what we got in the boot. Hopefully no animals. Rubbish. Back panel for the boot. pillow. No wrapped sofa. What's this? Floor mat? Yeah, floor mat of some sort. Rubbish. What's this then? Got a sheet. Something for a spare wheel should be. Some hammery plier tool thing. Not sure what tools those are. What's this? Old flathead screwdriver. Bit of pipe. Nothing of major interest. Don't know what that is. Let's pop the hood.